Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Let me share with you another delicious, refreshing and healthy juice for the week. Let's get started. So to make this juice, I'll be using some pineapples, watermelon, apples, mangoes, and some oranges with a little bit of ginger root. I've gone ahead to clean, cut, peel and cut all this behind camera. This is going to be a quick and short video. That's why I had to clean and cut everything behind camera. So the next thing we're going to do is to juice this. Today I'm going to be using my electric juicer. I also have a video where I showed how to make juice without using juicer. I'll leave the link to the video in my description box below. And here we have our sweet, refreshing, and healthy juice. I'll just enjoy some with some ice cubes and then store the rest in the refrigerator. Guys, this combination of fruits is so good for juicing. I hope you give this a try. Thank you all for watching. Please help me and like and share this video. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.